Hey there, Assalamu alaikum. My name is Mohsen Akram and you are watching Al Karam School of Thought, a YouTube channel in which I am trying to cover every subject. And now we are covering computer MCQs. The first web browser is it Yahoo or Chrome or Internet Explorer or www? Ask you a question that what is the right answer? What should be the right answer? It is www is our first web browser. Which is the latest version of MS Excel? Is it Excel 2016 or Excel 2017 or Excel 2021 or Excel 365? The latest version of MS Excel is 2021. A program that can execute high-level language programs. What is that program? Is it a compiler or censor or interpreter? The right answer is interpreter. Default name of newly created MS Word file is document 1. Any profile you would create in the MS Word, the default auto name or default name would be document 1. MS Word is, what is MS Word? Is it a compiler, system, or programming or application? The right answer is this is an application. Which shortcut key is used to spell check in MS Word? So if you press the functional key F7, it would be auto spell check your documentation or your presentation. MAC, what is it? What is MAC? Is it Windows media software, utility program, or operating system? The right answer is MAC is Mac is a operating system. To minimize all windows, what button you are supposed to press? Windows M. If you press Windows M simultaneously, all the windows would be minimized. MS PowerPoint, what is MS PowerPoint? MS PowerPoint, Microsoft PowerPoint is a presentation program. First boot sector virus was Brian. The symbols used in assembly language के अंदर कौन से symbol use होते हैं? क्या codes या assemblers या mnemonics? तो right answer is mnemonics. Full form of Gmail is Google Mail. A single packet on a data link is known as frame. What is the maximum font size you can apply for any character in MS Word? Maximum font size क्या है MS Words के अंदर? 1638, 1638. Memory is made up of, memory किसी से बनती है? Set of wires से बनती है, set of circuit से बनती है, या large number of cells से बनती है? तो memory असल में इन तीनों से ही मिलके बनती है. All of these is the right answer. The first complete 64-bit compatible version of Android was, इससे पहले 16 बिट्स कंपैटिबल वर्जन था, फिर 32 बिट्स कंपैटिबल वर्जन, फिर 64 बिट पहला 64 बिट कंपैटिबल वर्जन एंड्रॉइड था Android 50 Lollipop. An online journal where people post their experiences is called blog. एक ऐसा ऑनलाइन जर्नल जहां पे लोग अपने एक्सपीरियंसेस वगैरह पोस्ट कर सके, उसको ब्लॉग कहते हैं ना. आजकल ब्लॉगिंग का बड़ा ट्रेंड चला हुआ है, तो इट्स अ वेरी गुड सोर्स ऑफ इनकम. विच इज द मोस्ट पावरफुल कंप्यूटर? तो सुपर कंप्यूटर इज द मोस्ट पावरफुल कंप्यूटर. MS वर्ड वाज लॉन्च्ड इन MS माइक्रोसॉफ्ट वर्ड 1983 के अंदर लॉन्च हुआ था. CAM स्टैंड्स फॉर कंप्यूटर एडेड मैन्युफैक्चरिंग.